Hey guys, so I'm at the nursery again, and this time I came back for a incredible, which I picked up a nice one. And look at the coleus. I am in love with the coleus. It's like, oh, I know come fall, oh, they are gonna show out. Look at this beautiful color. It is going to be wicked. I'm so happy I came here. I'm always happy when I come here. Look at these hydrangeas. They are beautiful. And the begonias, they look beautiful. Wow, even the marigolds and the black-eyed Susans look nice. Oh my God. Look at this coleus. Oh my goodness. I have to hurry up. Look at these Gerber daisies. They are so pretty. And look at this hibiscus. Already blooming. And look at that coleus. Oh my goodness. Dark night. Those are salvias. I'm hoping that my Hawaiian tea bounces back. Oh, here's some more coleus. I really like the coleus. Like the colors. Look at this one. This one is so interesting. I think this is Pentas. Oh, and this one is my favorite. I love this petunia. It just needs to be cut back. And this color coleus. Wow. Just beautiful. The Hawaiian tea. All of the impatiens. The coleuses. The vegetables. The potatoes. All of the shaded plants are over here. Let's see if I find a nice. Oh, those are black-eyed Susans. Oh, and this compost right here is really good. Leaf and hummus compost. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, those begonias are beautiful. They're doubled. Oh, there's some dahlias. And look at this petunia. This is black, petunia black cherry. Oh, I'm gonna get this next year. More coleus. There's a coleus. Oh yeah, over here. Look at this. Beautiful. That is beautiful. This is all nice. Oh my goodness. I have to get a close-up on this begonia because this begonia looks like roses. Look at that. It looks like roses. Double petals. Petunias look nice. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I got me an incredible. This is the third one. Hopefully this one survives. And I'm gonna head home. Oh, look at these dahlias. So pretty. I need another petunia, but I don't know. Oh, I'm good. I got my cart over somewhere over there. Thank you. Okay. So I'm gonna go check out. So this is what I got. I got a coleus, and I believe this is called Campfire, and I love it because the color's really beautiful. And I also picked up an Incredible, which I am trying for the third time. The first time wasn't really my fault. I didn't really dig deep enough into the clay area, so I think it didn't have enough drainage, so it basically root rotted. So when it was emerging in the spring, I thought that maybe it just needed some water, but it was just really root rotted. So I'm trying again, but I think I'm gonna hold off on putting it in the ground because like I really want to get this Incredible blooming and showing. So yes. And I really like the fact that I pick up this coleus because it kind of gives me a vision of what the fall can look like, especially with these coleuses. Like if you mix the colors together, burgundy, purples, and red, it looks really beautiful. It looks perfect for fall. And I'm learning more that all of your flowers don't have to be in flower for it to look beautiful. Sometimes the foliage itself can be beautiful. So hopefully if I do some more research and this year goes really well, I might try to incorporate some foliage for next year, and hopefully the deer don't take a snack at it, but I think that would be a great idea. And coleus roots very easily. In within 3 days, 2 days, it's already rooting, so it's easy like to propagate it and make multiples. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys until next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.